Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Since many people have asked that how we basically can import data to Gauss, yeah, it's a very tough ask in the initial stages, but once you get used to it, then it's quite easy for you. The very first thing that you need to do is basically whenever you download a package or you have a package, you just need to install it from here. This is a library tool and you can install the package, and I will also record a video on this, but right now our focus is basically on how to import data to Gauss. uh, Let me show you an example by doing a simple regression, and then you can do it in a similar way. Suppose I have this data set and I have three variables: carbon emission, financial development, and energy use. uh, so basically what I do, the very first thing that you need to understand is that you should provide the address of your data, the codes of your data to Gauss, because Gauss doesn't know where your data is and from where I can take it. So let's suppose I have a text file. This is a text file. Let's suppose I will first delete this data, and I will copy my data from Excel. I will post it here and save it. So this is uh, you can import your data from a text file. You can import your data from a CSV file. So it's up to you. And even you can import your data from Excel file. You just need to provide the, like here I have, it is a text file, so I have written a text file. If your data is in a CSV file, you can do it a CSV file, and if your data is in an Excel file, you can write it similarly. So what basically I have done is, this is my data set. I have basically copied it. If you see, this is the address I have provided it. See, Gauss 19 and Gauss 15 and GPE. This is the exact address from where Gauss will take data. So basically this is the number of rows I have, and this is the number of columns. As I said earlier, Gauss understand only the language of matrix, so you need to specify each and everything accordingly. So since this is the normal code that from a second row from 2 to 21, I need to take my data, and this is basically the location of my variables. Like the third column is energy use, the second column is financial development, and the first column is carbon emission. And this is how I have defined all my variables. So what I need to do is basically, as I told you, the first thing that you need to specify is basically you have to provide the address to the Gauss. And I need to set my working directory. I need to tell Gauss that from this folder I need to get the data, and from this folder I need to get the codes. So I just change my working directory, and here I just need to run my code, the current file, and here you can see this is basically the simple regression analysis, and this is my financial development, this is energy use, and this is constant. So this was just a brief math lecture on how to import data into Gauss and how to run it. I hope it will be helpful, and if you have any further question, you may ask me and I can help you in that.